In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds from your PayPal account to an FNB bank account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com, and what you want to do is log into your account. After you've logged in, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually link your FNB account. To do this, come up to these options at the top, and what you want to do is click onto the one that says Pay and Get Paid. And underneath the wallet section, you want to click onto Bank Accounts and Cards. Next, what you want to do, as you can see, I've got a few different bank accounts and cards linked. You want to click onto this option here, which says Link a New Bank Account. And then just simply enter the requested details to go ahead and link your account. What's going to happen is PayPal's going to send a small deposit to your bank account, and next to that deposit will be a 4-digit code. So what you would need to do is log into your bank and look for the transaction from PayPal, and you'll have a 4-digit code which you'll need to come back to PayPal and enter into here to link and verify that bank account. So once that's done and you've linked the account, you can then come back to the paypal.com home screen. Currently, I don't have any funds in my PayPal balance at the moment. You can see it's currently at 0, so I've only got the option to add money. But if you do have available funds, you're going to see a additional option which will say withdraw funds or transfer funds. So what you would then do is click onto that, and it's going to give you the option of which bank account or card you would like to withdraw the funds to, which of course are the ones that would be linked to your PayPal. So you just go ahead and transfer the funds across, and that is how you go ahead and transfer funds from your PayPal account to an FNB bank account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.